Hey guys, it's Katie with JLT Performance, and today we're going to install our cold air intake for the 2015 and up Mustang Ecoboost. Slide this clamp up so you can remove this hose from the intake tube. Right behind that line is a quick connect fitting. You're just going to want to remove that. Loosen the hose clamp on the intake tube and the turbo. Loosen the hose clamp on the airbox. Loosen the hose clamp on the turbo. Remove the intake tube from the vehicle. Disconnect the harness from the Iat sensor. Disconnect these two pins from the box and from the frame. Remove this bolt securing the airbox to the vehicle. Now you can remove the airbox from the vehicle. If this grommet still came attached on the airbox, you'll just remove it and reinstall it. When removing the Iat sensor from the airbox, I find it easier to put a flathead screwdriver under the tab to help you lift it over the stop, and then you can twist and pull it out. Remove the shoulder washer and grommet from the airbox. Install the provided grommet and shoulder washer into the JLT airbox. Install the silicone tube seal onto the airbox. Install the airbox into the vehicle, and then you'll secure it down using the bolt that you removed earlier. Install the Iat adapter into the intake tube, and you'll want to line it up so both of these notches are the same. Install the quick connect fitting into the intake tube, and you'll tighten it all the way down by hand. And then once you can't tighten it anymore, you'll take the wrench and do one full turn. And then note, you are going to see some threads. If you over tighten it, it will cross thread. Install the coupler and clamps onto the intake tube, and then tighten down the back hose clamp. Install the intake tube onto the turbo. Once you have the tube fully on the turbo, you can then slide the front part through the tube seal. Once you have the intake tube fully seated, you can tighten down the back hose clamp. Reconnect this quick connect fitting and this tube. Once you have this tube installed, just make sure to unlock this clamp so it's tight again. Install the Iat sensor and rotate so the tab is backing up to this bump. Now you can reconnect the harness. Now you can reinstall this clip into the frame. Now you can install the filter onto the intake tube and then tighten down the clamp. Remove the protective layer from both sides of the clear lid, and then you can install it into the lid seal. Now you can install the clear lid onto the airbox. All right guys, so that is it. It is a super easy install, but if you have any questions or you just want to know more, you can always give us a call or check it out on our website, and I'll see you next time.